doing? I hope everybody is being great out there. If you are new to my channel, you are mostly welcome, and if you are old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. If you are passing by and you're just watching this video, why don't you think about subscribing to this channel if you're all about fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, because that's what I'm about. So go ahead and subscribe. As you guys can see in the title today, it is another Fashion Nova haul, all dresses this time. I am going on vacation. If you guys watched my last video, I did say I was going on vacation for my birthday. In about 2 weeks I'll be gone, and I did get some things that I'm going to be taking on vacation with me. All these dresses that I got, you can wear it, you can dress it up, you can dress it down, you can wear it on the beach, you can go on a date night with your boo, you could go on brunch with your girls, and after that you guys can go ahead and catch, you know, some little fun on the town. So if you want to see all the dresses that I got from Fashion Nova, why don't you stay tuned and keep on watching. Dress that I got, if you guys watch my last video, you guys will see that I told you guys I have this dress literally in all color that they have, and I told you that I wanted the white one, so the white one did come back in stock, and I decided to get it. So it is this white dress right over here, really cute, really nice. I have it in different colors, and I decided to add the white to it. It is such a gorgeous dress, guys. It cinches you in, it makes you look cute. Even if you don't have curve, if you wear this dress, you will be looking bomb as hell. As you guys can see, it does have like holes literally right here on the side, right over here. It does have holes, and the back is just pretty plain, and on the middle right here it does have a little bit of a boning right here. As we all know, it is white, so you got to be careful. You know, y'all know it's about to be summer, and it's about to be like a whole lot of white parties going on. This is a perfect dress for you guys to wear on to those parties, on those white party days, on the white party boat, house, whatever it is that is going on. You guys will be able to wear this, and it does also have a slit right here. I got this in a small. I got all of them in a small because they have a lot of give to them, so you guys should definitely size down. I size down on this a lot, so yeah, go ahead and cop this. Okay, y'all, the next outfit that I got is this dress is everything in some. It makes your body look vagabond, boom boom, baby. This dress is so gorgeous, it's so beautiful. This spring, summertime, you can go ahead and wear any color. Like, to me, I think you should be able to wear any color all year round. So I don't see why people keep talking about, oh, you can't wear brown during spring, you can't wear brown during summer. It's like, who cares? Wear what makes you feel good. So I went ahead and I got this dress. It does come in 2 colors. It comes in a sage and also in this color. I am gonna go ahead and get the sage color. Also, this is a beautiful dress. You guys can see it does have like a cup right here that holds your breast. It is also a sweetheart neckline. It has ruching all over it. It is also, I say, stay your size or size down. If you want it really tight on your body, I say size down, but if not, go ahead and get your size. Your size will be able, you'll be able to get away with your size in this outfit. Also, if you have body or you don't have body, this dress will look really good on you. It does have a zipper going down all the way to on the back. Like I told you guys, it has ruching all the way down, literally all the way down. It is tight, so you walk in, I don't know about you walking down the street, long walk on this dress and with the high heels, so be careful, be mindful about that. It is very tight to the body. Like, it is really nice. This dress is called Ruched Everywhere Midi Dress, literally Ruched Everywhere Midi Dress. Alright, y'all, the next one that I got again is this little number right over here. Love it. The only thing I wish I did is for me to size down. I really wish I sized down in this. It's a medium, and it does have like a lot of give to it, like literally a lot of give. This dress has studs. Like, you wear this at night, and you will be brightly from far away. You're gonna be sparkling all from far away. So yeah, this dress is really cute. It is a bandage material, but it does have mesh right over here on the side, so it makes it give you more sexiness, more side piece going on over there. Really cute, really nice. A bandage the back is a v-neck, and it does have this little altar thingy right over here holding it together at the back. It is pretty, you know, low cut in the front, and it's really cute, guys. This dress is everything. The only thing about this dress is I wish I got it in a size small. That's the only thing. This dress is everything and some. Okay, y'all, the next outfit that I got is a long one. Y'all might not see much on my hand, but you guys will see it on the insert right over here. This dress is also everything and some. Like, this kind of dress, I would not wear it on a normal day. I only wear it on vacations. Like, I can't get away with this going down the street in my house, in my neighborhood. It doesn't make any sense. But it is this non showing much right now on my hand outfit. This is called Fierce Moves Maxi dress in a size small. It's like a, I don't know, lion zebra thingy. No, lion. Voila, shut up. It is not lion. It has like a zebra thingy on it, different color, leopard thingy on it. It has different animal stuff going on the body. It is cut out on the sides, so yeah, it is pretty out there. Really cute outfit though. I really like it. Like I said, this is only for vacation. This is not something I wear on a normal day. So it does also have a slip in the front right over here. Really cute, really nice. I really love this, especially if you don't have hips and you wear this, it's going to give you hips. And if you have hips and you wear this, and that hips will be exaggerated. That hips will be everything and some. Really cute, really nice. I really love this. I can't wait. This is one of the things I'm wearing taking on vacation, so I can't wait to really rock this. And if you guys are not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me, because that's where you guys will see most of this outfit being styled. Okay, y'all, the next one I got, it is a nice flowy maxi dress. This dress actually remind me of an African print kind of outfit. If you guys don't know out there, I am African, I am Nigerian, so we wear a lot of Ankara, and this outfit kind of make me think about an Ankara outfit, but this is just more loose and more flowy than it is. It is this gorgeous orange dress, and it's giving you all the true color up on the camera right now. It is gorgeous. It is this beautiful outfit. It has brown, it has green, it has pink on it. Really cute. It has it right here, and it also have it also at the tip on the at the edge over there. It is such a beautiful outfit. It is this beautiful maxi dress right here. It is y'all can't see much of it right here, but you guys definitely will see it in the insert. It does have this on it, like this is where the chest is covered on it. It has an elastic back right here, so I'll say go down a size. Also go down to, like, if you're a medium, get a small. If you're a small, get a medium. On this I got a medium, and if I knew it was elastic at the back, I'll probably get a small. So, but I didn't know, but I still like it regardless. I will not be wearing heels with most of this outfit. I'll be wearing flats and stuff on it. So yeah, it's one of the outfits that I am going on vacation with. It does have a slit on both sides right here in the front. Really cute, really nice, flowy. These are the kind of things I like to wear on vacation. Something easy, you just throw on and go about your day, not stressing your life way too much because you're going on vacation. So yeah, this is really cute. I really love this, love it. Like I told you guys, it does remind me of an African print. So okay, y'all, if y'all watched my last Fashion Nova haul, if you haven't watched it, I will link it right here or in the description box, and you can go ahead and just click on it, and it will take you straight up to the video. My last Fashion Nova outfit, I have this dress over there that is very flowy. It's off-white dress, and I really like that outfit. And when I went back to their website when I'm shopping for this haul, I realized that they have it also in another color, and I was like, oh girl, Hey girl, you are gonna get this dress. And I decided to get it in a lime green. If you don't know, now you know. This dress right here is so cute, and I'm so excited that I'm able to get it in both colors. It does come with this tie right here, pretty nice things on it. It does come in a circle. A circle does come with it, and on the waist area it is pretty elastic, and I got this in a size small. Please go down a size, because the waist area will, let's see how stretchy it is, honestly. So go down a size in this if you are getting this outfit right here. I think I showed you guys how I will wear it if I'm gonna wear it, with a nice, I have a green purse right up there. Oh, y'all can see I have a green purse right my collection that I have. I'll just use it to like maybe walk around the town over there, to go sightseeing and stuff like that. That's all, you know, just walk around, go grab a drink, go walk around and do some nice sightseeing. This is a really nice outfit to wear. I don't know if I should call it a linen material. I don't know. I think it is. It should be a linen material. Let's see what material this is. Okay, it said it's 65% polyester, 35% rayon and lining. Rayon lining and 100% polyester. I don't get it. I know what you're going to say is 65 polyester and 35% rayon lining. And then at the bottom you're going to say 100% polyester. Okay, FASHIONNOVA, y'all get your life together, okay? But whatever. But it is such a beautiful outfit though. I really like this, and I can't wait to sit on the beach and take a good picture in this. This is so cute though. Y'all need to go get this. Alright, this is the last outfit that I got from FASHIONNOVA. It is this Planar. It looks nothing right now on my hand, but it's really cute. And another thing, if I had known, but it's a small actually. I should have gotten me an extra small. I didn't know it was gonna look like that on me. I should have gotten an extra small. It has no single stretch to it, but it's pretty giving. It is another maxi dress. It does have like a crisscross thingy at the back right over here. And the only thing about this is I am gonna go ahead and cut the lining a little shorter. I don't like the way it just covered me all the way. Like, come on now. I used to breathe a little bit. Let my boom breathe a little bit. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it like it's about the length of the material itself. So the lining, I'll go ahead and cut it like a little bit high, about this much, cut this much off of it, and hopefully it looks good. I'm not a seamstress, I'm not a tailor, but you know, we gonna see. We gonna see how that's gonna happen. But yeah, this is a really cute, nice outfit also that you could wear on the beach, and you're gonna be really cute. You could go sides. It's pretty long though. That's one thing about all this outfit. It's pretty long, and I know by the time I walk around that area, the stuff is probably gonna get really messed up. So we'll see. Whatever gets messed up, I'll probably cut it off and then re-hem it so it can look really cute. So yeah, I really like this though. Really like it. It's looking really cute, really nice. It doesn't have any opening. It's just a nice maxi dress. So yeah, I love me maxi dress. If you're new here, I am into dresses. I don't care, short, long, midi, maxi, I'm into it. Alright y'all, that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much. You guys are the real MVP. If you are not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Help your girl grow on this channel. I really enjoy what I do, and your help, you liking, subscribing, commenting on the video helps me a lot. It helps YouTube knows that I'm doing something right and I'm bringing you guys exactly what you guys like. So until next time, remember to live your life like no one is watching, because God got your back. Mwah.